So today, the video is going to be about working on this hole in the floor. This used to be a terrifying spiral staircase. We easily knocked it down. It was not well built. The wood was rotted out because it was not pressure treated where it touched the concrete. So it eventually rotted out over the years. So if you like, please subscribe and stay tuned. Successfully done. To the basement. So I just wanted to show this. As you can see, I did it a little differently than how the floor joists are going. And part of it was I didn't want to take that apart to bring in some of this, because it's just a hot mess. So I figured that because this has been stable for as long as it's been done, that it was better to put these in. I'm going to put some floor joist hangers in, because actually there is no floor joist hangers on the previous floor joists. So I set them about 16 inches apart, and I might put a piece going across. The reason I did this going this way was to go this way, in my opinion, isn't very structural, because instead of us using, this is being held here by this. So if we added a piece in between the two, it's debatable. And really, the best way to do this is to take this out and then run a new piece going that way to this. And the most structural way is to run a brand new one in, but that would have been really difficult. So with what I had, I did this, and we're gonna add some floor joists. We're gonna add a couple more in the middle with floor joists just to help hold it in place. It's just tacked up there right now with screws. So just let me know down in the comments what you think and how this project came out.